I'm not gonna mess around. We're gonna get right to it and see how this one from Abner compares to this one, well, this one that we don't even need to name, real time. So ChatGPT lied to me a little bit. Now let me go this way. ChatGPT told me whenever I asked for it to compare, told me that my Dyson Airwrap technology was different than the Abner Airwrap technology. It told me that I was gonna have to feed it around my Abner, whereas you could see I did not have to feed it around my Dyson. Now I'm gonna give it a cool shot here, take it out so that you can see. All right, decent curl. Let's try the same thing on the Abner, and it is an air styler. Now again, ChatGPT told me this was not gonna work without me wrapping it around myself. Did you see how quick and easy that wrapped right around the unit? I cannot get over. That was my big concern. So also, I still can do my cool shot by turning down the temperature before I pull it out. This is the barrel that came with the Abner, so I don't even have to worry about getting the larger barrels. You tell me, crazy to even think about investing in this when this is a fraction of the cost. Now let's look at what all comes in here. So inside the set, which by the way, this is a super nice bag. It has like a leathery feel to it, which I love. And it's super squishy, which I also love because I'm not gonna be afraid to pack this and take this with me like I was my Dyson. Inside here though, I'm gonna insert some footage of using this piece. This gave me such a smooth blowout from the start. This was a great way to start my entire style because it's gonna give me that nice smooth setting with a little bit of bend at the end is what I started with. Love that. This is the smoothing brush. It comes with obviously 2 of the curling ones. Now these are only one direction each one. So you want to hold it up to the mirror, look at what way the arrow is going. That's the side you want to use that one on. Of course, you have your standard hair dryer piece, which was super quick in drying my hair. I was really impressed at the speed there. And then your round brush. So you have a lot of the same pieces that come with the Dyson in a much more compact, travel-worthy container and a set that doesn't break the bank. So the other thing that comes in here, by the way, is actually the heat glove, which I thought I was gonna need, but not only did I not need it because it wrapped around here with no problem, but also the tip of these is just shaped differently. So look at the tip of my Dyson. It's rounded, and I know that's not a huge deal, but I noticed when I was grabbing a hold of this, it was much easier to grab the tip of this being flat and hang on to it and not burn your fingers. All in all, this is just an incredible set. I'm gonna finish my hair real quick. I'll come back and show you the final result with the curler, starting having blown it dry and blown it out. Let's see where I land. I'm gonna stick this on this side, and then the Abner on the difference between. All right, before I even blow these out, do you see how much more this side is than this side? Now I realize I have my bangs up here, but it just has a beefier, juicier curl to it. So I'm gonna let these cool for a little bit and then I'll rake them out and we'll see what the final look is and the verdict. But while we're waiting for that, what I really wanna go through with you is exactly how this works. So I have that set that I showed you and all the different attachments, but it has the simplest little button on the back. Each one of these pops out, and then I'm easily able to trade that out for any of the other heads that come in here. So just unlock it. These are a little bit different than the Dyson in that it's a push and turn and it kind of locks in. The Dyson just pops in and out. The other thing that's incredibly similar is the filter piece on the back. So you have the ability to clean your filter there. But this is just a gorgeous, gorgeous curler. I love it. Can't get over how quick it dried my hair. And I'm actually even confident enough in these curls that I will rake them out and show you. I don't know that I will ever be reaching for my Dyson again. And this is why. Because look at, even if I tried to say that it was equal, I couldn't. Because look at real time. You watched me finish this side with the Dyson. And as usual, if I wanted to keep my Dyson curls nice and bouncy, I would have had to pin them up while I was getting ready, wait a good amount of time, and then land here. But look at the body and the bounce. I'm gonna go back and do this side that was done with my Dyson. I'm gonna do it with the Abner because this thing, dare I say, might trounce my Dyson. Huge fan of this Abner. Thanks for sending it out. Really appreciate it. This is being added maybe as a replacement in my hair tool arsenal.